So I went to Oakland Public Schools, kindergarten all the way through high school. I think as I get older and seeing the changes that are happening in Oakland, which are all positive and great, it also makes me appreciate the past. Oakland has different pockets of, different neighborhoods now. Uptown didn't exist, 5 years ago. It's becoming more developed as far as distinctive neighborhoods, which just shows a positive growth in the city. I have all these beautiful trees, there's hiking trails, I have my backyard, but I'm still living in the fifth biggest city in California. It's a big city, but in our restaurant community world, and we run into it all the time. It's family, but everyone support each other because everyone's so different. Culture has always been there. I think it's becoming more so distinct as more restaurants come into Oakland. Commis was a new idea back when we opened 3 years ago. The name of the restaurant is Commis. It means apprentice in French. Yeah, when I was a student, there's always something there to learn. It never hit that apex. I think Oakland's also a very vibrant community, just not the restaurant community, artist community as well. Why can't we have a fine dining restaurant in Oakland? Why can't we rebuild the Fox Theater and bring back top Billboard acts? What Oakland brings is a total mindset. Pretty much anything can happen. Oakland brings something new to the table. Oakland, to know it, to love it.